Now we will create one more virus. Right click on the desktop and again go to the new and text document. Now you can give whatever name you want to this text file. So here I will give random application. So open the notepad file, echo off, then the name of the function which is a take. Now here I have write down start notepad, enter, then start write, again then start cmd which is a command, start ms paint, and then again start explorer, then start calc which is a calculator, and then again start control, and now go to function tech. So what exactly this is going to do, it is first line is going to echo off, then take is the function, then notepad, start notepad is going to open the notepad, start write is going to open the Windows default writer, and then start command is going to open the command prompt, start ms paint is going to open the paint of a Windows, then start explorer is going to open a my computer where you can explore the hard drives and the folders and the files, and then start calc is for the calculator, and then start control is for opening the control panel, and then again go to tech, will go to the function, and this will repeat again. So in a last video we have seen how the virus of a notepad by opening the notepad files again and again creates a load on a PC. So only one option remains is to shut down the PC or the laptop. So imagine now how heavy the process will be and how fast your PC or someone's victim's PC is going to hang. So let's see.
And one more thing, my friends, this video lecture is just a part of one chapter. If you guys want to learn ethical hacking from scratch, then I have created a very awesome course for all of you, because as an ethical hacker I see lots of hacking happening around the world and people lose money and sometimes very important confidential information just because they don't have basic theory and practical knowledge of ethical hacking. So in this course of ethical hacking from scratch for every internet user, you can get a practical knowledge about ethical hacking and save yourself from getting hacked in this world of internet. The course price can vary depending on the offers on Udemy, but if you use the coupon TechTimeBox, you can get this course below $10, which is worth spending on something to learn and securing yourself. And why I have kept price so low, because I want everyone to knowledgeable enough so they can secure themselves from bad hackers. You can watch an introduction and a free lectures by clicking on this video, so you will be 100% sure with the quality and the time spent by TechTimeBox team to create this awesome course. And talking about course content, we have added almost everything. And the good news is we are going to add so many new videos every month for lifetime, so we can teach you new things from ethical hacking industry. Also, people those are enrolling to this course will get added to our WhatsApp group for personal guidance. And don't forget to use code TechTimeBox so you can get maximum possible discount on Udemy platform. And most important benefits of enrolling to this course is that you will be getting a certificate of a completion and access on a mobile and other devices, as well as lifetime access to this course with updates. And there are so many downloadable resources for respective lectures, so you can download them and try yourself in a simple steps. So see you guys in our what.
Now save the file and then right click on it, rename, and again now change the txt to the bat, and now from here you can change the name of the bat file. What I will do, I will give the name of this bat file to Internet Explorer. We are renaming it just for the purpose so victim can easily click on this bat file. So after renaming, again cut this file and then paste in C drive. You can paste it anywhere you want. Then again right click on it and then send to desktop, which is for creating a shortcut. So we can give customized icon to it. Now again right clicking it and removing the other text to the file like bat and the shortcut removed, and then right clicking on it, go to the properties, again the chain icon. Now from here we will take the icon of Internet Explorer. There are few third-party software comes which has loads of icons which you can give. Again going back, this icon I am choosing, OK, apply, and then OK. Now as you can see, hardly you will make a difference into real and this fake Internet Explorer. And if user wants to open an Internet Explorer, obviously he will double click on the bat virus. Now let's see what actually it does. Now I am on my camera phone, so when I double click it, my recorder will stop because the whole PC will stop and none of the software will run. So I have to record this on my mobile camera or the DSLR camera, you can say. So I'm double click on the Internet Explorer now. So as you can see, it is opening the notepad, the command prompt, the right Explorer, again the notepad, Explorer, command prompt, MS Paint. The same thing is happening again and again. Paint, notepad, right function, command prompt, calculator. Oh my god. So it is opening as you can see. And I will not be able to do anything now. Even if I try to open the task manager or any other application, it will keep coming up in front of the all applications, and I can't even close the command prompt which is doing this all. As you can see, I am opening the task manager. But it is not yet responding. Again clicking on task manager. Even if it comes up, then also it is going to take a lot of load because already these many applications are getting open, and in front of task manager other applications are opening. Even if I try to bring it up, the next second another applications is there. So I'm just pressing Control Alert and delete button. So here you can see. Now from here I can close the or switch off this Windows, or what I can do, I can just restart it. This is the only way from stopping this happen, but still as you can see it is not able to restart. It is giving me error, and if I say restart anyway, because now 42 apps are opened. So now I have only one option. Even after closing all of those apps and after clicking restart anyway, again the apps are opened. So there is no option even I can restart this. Now imagine the level of the frustration of the victim. But this is all for the learning purpose, so no one can do this with you. Now only way I can just stop this virus working is long pressing my shutdown button of my laptop and then closing it. But doing this may harm my laptop or the hard disk. I may lose some data or my Windows may get corrupted. So this is just for a learning purpose.